Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Govee Floor Lamp 2 to the Wi-Fi. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and control your Govee Floor Lamp 2. How do you actually go ahead and connect it to the Wi-Fi? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up your Govee Home app and then make sure that you register for an account. Additionally, you want to go ahead and make sure that your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is turned on. And with your Wi-Fi, you want to make sure that your phone is connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. At this point, go ahead and connect your Govee Floor Lamp 2 into the wall outlet and turn it on. And then once it's turned on, make sure that you're nearby next to it. Then go on your Govee Home app, click on the plus icon in the upper right hand corner, and it's automatically going to scan for nearby devices. So look for your floor lamp here, and it's right over here on this one. Click on it, and it should automatically connect. On this page, you can rename your device, but we're just going to keep it as floor lamp 2. Then on this page, it's automatically going to input your Wi-Fi settings. So make sure that the Wi-Fi settings are correct and then click on done. Now, after a couple of seconds, you should see a notification that says the Wi-Fi has been successfully connected. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Govee Floor Lamp 2 to the Wi-Fi. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.